Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today was the day I actually basically stated on yesterday's video. This was the move that I was waiting for. We saw the clear tapering on the selling channel, right? So yesterday I told you guys to see that move up, right? We need to see this right here, right? Right here, as well as the bounce from the 5-day, right? And then the close of this cup right here. So which is what happened today. And then of course after a cup, what do you expect? A handle, right? So that's what we're in. So you could have also taken a short uh at the level right here, right? Although it's not much, you still understand the structure, you understand the context, and you do know that the short was possible, right? So the trade of the day was definitely the move up right here, right? Because that's what I even outlined in yesterday's video. If you just watch that, go back to that, right? And then end of the day, right? We just ran out of runway, as well as we are tapering at the top right here. We just didn't see that clear breakthrough yet. So you just have to be careful when you enter right here. I believe we need to see more liquidity build at least. I'm gonna actually make that algo right there, right? This one be tapering right here. So this is a pretty big trap. So tomorrow, you want to see the market build a little bit more liquidity, right? So much that exactly, right? So so you want to see the market break down a bit right there, right? So you want to see a little bit more of a liquidity build, probably from right here, right? And then move up right here, right? Depends what happens tomorrow. But be careful here, or unless we do open higher, right? If you open higher, use this, form a cup right here, right? Or if we go up higher, then build a liquidity from here, right? And then bounce up from here, right? So there can be two ways the market can grab liquidity. If we open higher right here, then drop down back to pink and then build that liquidity off of another blue. So I'm gonna draw that right there. It's clear for you guys. So there's gonna be basically another blue, right? If it opens higher, we then grab the liquidity, then right there, right? And then head up, right? So that's the play. Or again, if we want to reject here because we are tapering here, right? And then build a liquidity down here, form the head right here as well, right? Or 5 days moving up, so we can use the 5-day right here, right? And then bounce up again. But again, I want to show you the intraday as well. And the trades, how I took them. So let me show you that after I show the 5-minute, right? The 5-minute, you can see the same thing, right? The tapering yellow, but you can see how the buyers were in control. We just built that good risk reward right here, right shoulder right here, all the way up. I think 2 points, right? Yep, 2 points. And then the short right here that I talked about. And then there was this another trade, right? You could have taken it, left shoulder head, right shoulder right here. But here the market kind of lacked that continuation, so the market wanted to build more liquidity. So this was the end of the day pump, right? But I don't really trade at the end of the day like that, but that could have been a good trade as well. But let me show you in the intraday, right? Intraday. So same thing, same algos throughout the whole day. Hold on. So left shoulder head, right shoulder. So on the right shoulder, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, right, then 2 points. Then there's the short right here. You notice the tape, the tapering right here. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. But then you notice we have that blue tapering support algo right there, right? So you have to be careful. And the support level is actually the level that you're seeing right here. I'm gonna make this clear. At pink, right? So you have to be careful of that right there, right? Right, so pretty simple, pretty easy short, as well as the way up, right? Then you just notice how much there's kind of a choppy area, right? We are in that teal as well as we're in the blue as well. So to see that continuation, right, we need to see defined move, and there was this inverse head and shoulder right here, but there was like the continuation. Then the right shoulder right here. Um, Left shoulder, head. There was another right shoulder right here. So this was a good short scalp to take, right? But again, you aren't in a confirmed short, so you have to be protecting pretty heavily. Then this the last trade of the day for me. Um, Left shoulder, head, right shoulder right here, right up right here. Pretty good return, and then this was the last pump of the day, right here, right? But it was too near end of the day, so I didn't take that. But yeah, so from here, right, you want to see that liquidity build. Like I said, if we do open higher tomorrow, right, and then fall down, test pink again, test this level again, right? So if we do that, right, left shoulder, head, right shoulder right here, and then make the highs, right, and then test 20-day, right? So we're gonna test the 20-day. To be honest, the bullish, I think if Trump does win the election, then we're gonna have another bull run, right? Of course. But if Kamala wins, it kind of really kind of depends on the election. If Kamala does win, I do expect a move down. That's like the overall consensus, or whatever the hell the word is, right? But I do expect the move down. But if Trump does win, I do expect that rally, right? So we can be in this tapering right now. So be careful of that. We did form that left shoulder. If we do form that head tomorrow, right shoulder right here, and then another right shoulder right here, right? And then close this inverse cup right here, right? And then have another handle, right? Then this, and then drop, right? So yeah, pretty simple, pretty easy, pretty straightforward. But yeah, goddamn, my chart's a mess. But yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Pretty easy day if you understood the 30-minute, as well as if you watched yesterday's video and you were just prepared. This was a whole 5-point move, right? So by itself, right? So you could have just called it a day after that, honestly. But yeah, anyways, see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day.